Hello, my name's Katie. I'll tell you a little bit about me and my organisation Amity shortly, but before that I'd like to ask 3 direct questions. Are you interested in joining a new local community group to collaborate to tackle one of the greatest challenges of our time? Do you live in Manchester? Do you live in one of these Manchester areas? RUSHOLME, HULME, Moss Side, LEVENSHULME, Northern Quarter, Miles Platting or Newton Heath? If you can answer those 3 questions with a yes, or you know someone that can, keep listening. So the In Our Nature programme is seeking to bring people together, local residents and experts from across Manchester, to come up with and co-create ways to tackle the climate emergency. So at Amity, we really believe that each human being has it within them to rise to the occasion when it comes to challenges. We've seen time and time again that the creativity and the capacity for collaboration that's needed for that is innate in people. And we feel that this has something to contribute to the conversation and the action around climate crisis. So if you'd like to join us and be supported in a new local community group to work together and to understand more about what's possible when it comes to the ambitious targets that we need to meet in relation to creating the communities and environments that we want, click on the link in the bio to find out more.